Hi friends, welcome to KMED Gatei's Education. Friends, I have given information about NPTEL certification courses, which helps for GATE 2021 preparation. So what are the subjects that cover for GATE 2021 preparation? Not only that, you can apply for exam, you can test the IIT professor questions. So you can cover the subjects by that October. You can complete the syllabus of that subjects by October. So there are plenty of advantage taking the NPTEL certification courses. So that is one thing. And for GATE 2021 preparation, free resources through NPTEL. So for complete syllabus of GATE 2021 EEE through NPTEL resources, which can be easily understandable by professors. Not only that, weekly assignment will be there. Suppose if you see here, this is a networks and systems subject. Suppose if you see here, week 1 lecture you have 3 lectures. Week 1 4 5 6 week 1 6 7 8 lectures. These are of 20 minutes or 15 minutes of lectures. You have assignment. So what you have to do means, after completion of week 1 lectures, you solve the previous GATE, IES descriptive questions. Enough. So if at all you have any problem, if at all you have any GATE doubts, you can post in the forum. They will be answered. You have any doubt in that subject, they will be answer if you register NPTEL certification courses. So if at all the completed courses, you can follow any one of the YouTube channels. So more YouTube channels, saying Hindi channels, English channels are there. GATE. So I suggest to go for Creatirex. He covering all the subjects with previous GATE problems. So if at all you have a doubt in GATE previous problems, you can go for that. So this is the way of preparation. Right. Let's see here. First subject is networks and systems. So what are the by Professor VGK Murthy? Excellent lectures, excellent basic concept, excellent. You can get the concept very well. So what are the topics covered? You can see here signal systems, networks. So introduction to the signals and Fourier series and continuous time Fourier transform, Laplace transform, and application of the Laplace transform. So weekly you can go, or you can take 4 to 5 lectures and solve the previous GATE, IES, and most you can take any one textbook and solve the problems, complete the syllabus. This is not in NPTEL certification course, but I am giving the reference who are preparing for self study and who are not able to afford money in the coaching institutes and for online classes, and who are going for job. For those people it will be helpful. So you can understand that IIT professor has a vast experience compared to that of the coaching institute. So compared to them, they have a concept. You can grasp the concept. You can taste the subject of the. You can taste the subject. You can taste the subject. Right. So this is the first subject. So here you can cover signals and systems. So the sister subject is networks and systems. You can go to nptel.ac.in. From that courses you can check it. This course is there. Professor VGK Murthy, networks and systems. Next subject. Basic electronics. Next subject is a basic electronics by Professor Mahesh Bhai Patil sir, IIT Bombay. So you can have you see here tangents week 2 lectures and superposition theorems first week lectures, and week 3 lectures about diode circuit. More number of problems is there, and you get a good explanation of that. And you can see here diode rectifiers, bipolar junction transistor, BJT amplifiers, op-amp circuits and instrumentation amplifier, Bode plots, and precision rectifiers, Smith triggers, and you can cover digital circuits also, Okay, counters and 555 timer simulation, yet analog to digital conversions. You can get analog and digital circuits. For gate point of view, these lectures are very important because more number of problems. He give the technique how to solve the problems. You can go for that. So what is the lecture here? Basic Electronics by Professor M. B. Bartil sir. Okay, so this is the second lecture. This is the second subject. So signals and systems covered, and analog electronics covered. Okay, one subject. Okay, networks and systems promo. Okay, and basic electronics is over. Next subject, engineering mathematics you have covered. This is not required. If at all you have any doubt in this topic, you can go that. I sincerely suggest that for mathematics you can buy any one coaching institute previous questions, and all year the book which consists of all department questions of previous, you solve them. It is more than enough. Or you have any doubt, you can go for this in NPTEL course. You can select the engineering mathematics. Okay, then you have engineering mathematics 1, 2 and 3, and integral and vector calculus is there, probability and statistics is there. You can get anything. Okay, so mathematics also no problem. Integral vector calculus also there. You have more number of problems. You can go for engineering mathematics. You can you don't go for video lectures. You go for previous questions. If at all you have any doubt, you go for the topic. Okay, they given topics there. Okay, let's see the next topic, next subject. Next, power electronics. Power electronics is heart of our subject, our core. Okay, so you can expect more number of questions, right? The power electronics by Professor G. Bhuvaneswari madam. Now in this semester you have NPTEL certification course for this. Okay, you strictly follow weekly. Okay, so weekly, suppose week 1 has a single phase rectifier, half wave control, full wave control. You complete the previous IES gate questions and descriptive questions, and some Bimbra textbook or Rashid textbook problems. It's more than enough. By October you get the concept of the power electronics. Power electronics. Not only that, if you go for any other YouTube channel, I suggest that if you whatever you like the YouTube channel, you go for that. Okay, so I think it is better, power electronics by parallelly. So first you prefer this Professor G. Bhuvaneswari madam. Okay, not only that, you get IIT certificate also if you register in this semester. Okay, in this semester, one of the advantage of registering NPTEL certification course of power electronics means you can complete the gate syllabus of power electronics. You can attempt the IIT exam, the NPTEL certification course exam, so which is provided by IIT professors. Okay, so by October you can complete the power electronics also. Okay, then after you go for the revision also. This is one of the advantage if you register power electronics course of this. Next, control systems by Professor C.S. Shankar Ram sir. Okay, so here this is also in the semester. You can register this weekly assignment is there. Okay, if you know the subject, no problem. If you register the course and submit and try to solve the weekly assignment problems. And also in his video, more number of problems are there, you can solve that. Okay, control systems by Professor C.S. Shankar Ram, IIT Madras. Okay, note that. Next, power system protection. So power system protection already I have given in the last video. Power system protection by IIT Roorkee. Okay, this is an 8-week lecture. You can register this, so you can get the subject knowledge of that. Next one. Next also power system protection by IIT Kanpur or Kharagpur. Okay, so you can get 2 lectures in this semester. You can register this course. You can complete the course by power system protection. Okay, and next course, reference, power system analysis. Professor Deva Priya Das. So you have structure of power system, flow, observe resistance, inductance, capacitance of power system. So all power system analysis topic is covered, except you don't have the syllabus optimal system operation. optimal system operation we don't have a, but you can study, but it is required. So if at all interested, you can go for that. So weekly assignment will be there. You have the advantage of weekly as the assignment, and if you give the exam also, it is very advantage NPTEL certification course exam, it is an advantage for you. Okay, right. Not only that, power system analysis, you can go by Nagarath and Kothari. You have some video lectures, power system lectures. Okay, so this is enough. I think this is more than enough. So more number of problems covered by this are. Okay, so once you solve the theoretical problems, then you get the idea how to get the trick for short. You can get the short tricks for to solve the problems. First of all, if you solve the main theory problems, then only you get if you solve the 2 to 3 problems, you get the idea how to solve the problems within shortcuts. Okay, first you face difficult, then you get easy. Okay, then if you understand the problem, then it is very easy, right? Next question, next subject, digital circuit by Professor Santanu sir. Okay, so here in this semester you have a registration here. You can go for that. So Boolean algebra, combinational function, logic gates, arithmetic circuit, code convert, counter shifts, and microprocessor. So total gate syllabus is covered here. You can register, and weekly assignment you can solve this. Okay, right. Next, fundamentals of electrical engineering. So this comes under network theory only. Basic concept and basic laws, methods of analysis, DC network theorems, capacitor, inductors, first order circuit, sinusoidal phasors, if you know network theory, if you already prepared, then go for weekly assignments and the problems given by the sir in the lectures. And if these are solved in lengthy manner, you solve in shortcuts. Okay, try to solve them in short way. Okay, so beneficial is weekly assignment is there. So 12 week, you have 12 weeks na. 12 week, each week you have a 10 to 15 questions, depend upon the they given. So they will give 10 questions or 15 questions. So you can get approximately 120 questions. Not only that, in that lectures also you have some more problems, you can solve that. Okay, so this is also beneficial. If you register this course. Okay, so for weekly assignment you can register this course. Weekly assignment for this. Next subject is basic electrical circuits. By Nagendra Pushpa sir. So this is also a network theory, comes under network theory. Okay, you can get weekly assignments. If you know very well about the subject, you can't you need not to watch the video, directly go for weekly assignments and solve the previous gate IAS descriptive questions. Similar, the pattern is similar. Okay, so weekly some topic of each subject you will complete it by October. All the you take the notes, you solve the problems, you note the problems of a weekly assignment and solve the gate problems. If at all the problem which is difficult in gate in previous questions, and you note that separately, you can see further. Okay, so this is also beneficial. You can register, weekly assignment will be there. And next one is control engineering. Already I have given one control engineering by IIT Madras, Shankar Ram. So this is also control engineering by IIT Madras. Here also weekly assignment is there. So for example, if you see here, if you register this course, now the week quiz 0 assignment 0 is given. You can see here, these are the questions. So delta of T is a unit impulse, which of the following is false. So these are the questions given. Similarly, weekly assignment will be there. So this professor given 10 questions in this topic. That professor given some more different questions. So by week 2, this sir will give some questions. That sir will give some questions. So you get this 120 questions. Here there 120 questions. Control system 240 questions. IIT questions. 140 IIT questions. You can practice if you know the concept. If at all you have doubt in the concept, you can go for their video lectures. Okay, next subject was electrical machines by Professor Tapas Bhattacharya sir. So you can if you don't have machine subject knowledge, you can go through this. You can definitely go through this. You taste the subject of the electrical machines. I promise you that you can taste the subject of the electrical machines. Electrical machines 1. So the same professor teaches electrical machines 1 and electrical machines 2. The same sir is teaching electrical machines 1 and electrical machines 2. Excellent lectures. Okay, so you taste the subject of electrical machines, and weekly assignment is there, and solve the previous gate questions also. Okay, so suppose week 0 assignment is given, so register this course. Electrical machines 1 in the semester is there. You see here assignment is given, so you can solve this. The solutions will be uploaded. So the solutions will be uploaded, and you can ask the doubt also. If you don't understand the solution, you can ask the solutions also. Okay, so you see here, this is the week 0 assignment is given. So you can taste the subject. Okay, you can taste the subject. Next one, electrical machines 1, same professor. Okay, right. Electrical machines 2 is there by same professor. You can go through that. So network analysis by same professor. So already 3 network analysis I have shown. It is the 4th network analysis. Okay, so you can go through excellent lectures by same professor. You can taste the subject of network theory also. Okay, so more number of problems covered by this sir, you can go for that. Okay, next, electrical machines 2, I have said that electrical machines 2 by same subject, same sir. Okay, next, principles of signal system. I have already given the signals and systems by network system and theory, Professor VGK Murthy sir. Here you go for Aditya Jagannathan sir. He cover all this after. Now also I have a signal systems, I think so. Okay, you can register, or you have already this course is already in this NPTEL course. You can go for that, principles of signals and systems by Aditya Jagannathan sir. Okay, so 2 signal systems lecture covered, 2 control systems lecture covered, and network theory 4 covered, and electrical machines is covered, and electrical machines by 2 professors will come. I will show you. Okay, and microprocessor. So here you can get a 8086 microprocessor. If at all you interested 8086, you go for that. It is not required for gate. Electrical machines by Professor G. Bhuvaneshwari madam, you can go for that. So electrical machines by 2 professors, G. Bhuvaneshwari madam and Professor Tapas Bhattacharya sir. This madam covers all the electrical machines subject. You go for that. Okay, and electrical machines already given, and digital circuits same already given. Professor Santanu Chattopadhyaya. Okay, so he cover all the subjects. Introduction, microprocessor 8085. So I think this semester you have this course you can register. And electrical measurements by Abhishek Chatterjee sir. So excellent lectures. He cover all the electrical measurements. So you can get the subject very fluently. So you don't bother about any institution notes. You go through this. You go through this. You can test the subject. Electrical measurement subject you can test. Very nice lectures. Electrical measurements, you can understand the topic. And basic 5th network theory subject. Basic electrical circuit by Professor Ankush Sharma, IIT Bhubaneswar. Okay, and he present IIT Kanpur. Okay, so you can go this. More number of problems covered by this sir. And analog circuits you go for CD Bombay. Okay, CD IIT Bombay. So you see here analog circuits by Professor Rajesh H. Gile. So excellent lecture. You can understand the subject very neatly. Okay, so you go through this. For EEE students it easily understandable. Analog circuits I have given 2 subjects, Professor Mahesh B. Patil and IIT Bombay. This is also IIT Bombay, Professor Rajesh H. Gile. So electromagnetic theory, Pradeep Kumar sir lecture is there. You can see here IIT Kharagpur electromagnetic theory by Pradeep Kumar sir is there. So many electromagnetic lecture is there, so you can go for that. Okay, so besides you go for understanding the gate questions. If at all you have not understand the gate questions, you can post them, they will give the answer. Otherwise you go for Creatorix. If at all you want immediate if you want get previous question solutions, you go for Creatorix. So I suggest Creatorix, you go for that. Otherwise you can go for any YouTube channel. More number of Hindi and English channels are there, you go for that. And electrical machines I have given Professor Professor Tapas Kumar Bhattacharya sir and G Bhuvaneshwari madam. If you want in depth knowledge of electrical machines, okay, you can go to YouTube and you type Professor S.S. Murthy sir, you can get the Professor S.S. Murthy IIT Delhi lecture professor. The lectures will be there. Synchronous machines by S.S. Murthy, DC machines by S.S. Murthy, electrical machines by S.S. Murthy, inductor machines by S.S. Murthy, and you have another servicing transformers by S.S. Murthy sir. Okay, so these are also very excellent lectures. In depth you want subject knowledge of electrical machines, you follow Tapas Kumar Bhattacharya sir and Professor S.S. Murthy sir lectures. Okay, so what else I missed? I think all are covered. Signal systems, two professors. Control system, 2 professors. Network theory, 5 professors. Okay, and electrical machines, 3 professors. Power system, 2 professors. Power system you can follow Nagrath and Kothari sir extra. And power same Professor Deba Priya Das, power system engineering is there. Power system engineering. So Professor Deba Priya Das has 2 lectures, power system analysis and power system engineering. In power system engineering, you have insulators, corona, and sag and tension, lower frequency control. So the topic there is covered. Okay, so power system protection is covered, and insulators, corona, cable, sag and tension, and load frequency control covered in power system engineering. There is one topic is generation topic is missed. Generation topic you prepare, self prepare. Okay, so complete gate free resources through NPTEL. Okay, so I think if you watch the lecture, then you understand what is the need of affording money to the coaching institutes. Okay, free is available there. Free resource is available there. No need to go for various cities, various online classes. Okay, if at all you want to see more number of problems, some YouTube channels giving more number of problems, you go for that. So gate exam means solving the problems only. So do one thing. Finally I am telling, do one thing. Weekly assignment, weekly what are the topics covered, solve the gate previous questions, or separately you take the notes, solve the IES previous IES questions, previous IES descriptive questions, and take one standard textbook and solve the problems of that. More than enough. Not only that, final important thing is by October or November you complete the syllabus. Complete the syllabus, or December, and the revision, 2 times revision must be there, because on studying, if you don't revise, no use of attempting the exam, you don't get the rank. Finally the revision is important. Finally I am telling that whatever maybe you study, finally the revision is important. Without revision you don't get the rank also. Okay, so finally the revision decides your rank. Okay, take any one test series. Okay, so weekly assignments is going on now. So take any one test series. So many institutes are there. They are giving test series like part 1. So topic wise test. So week 1 assignment is over, you go for topic wise test. Week 2 assignment is over, you go for topic 2 wise test. Then after go for complete test. So they are giving 4 types of topic wise test and combined test. So you take any one test series or 2 test series, standard test series. Okay, you go for anything. So practicing more number of problems, you get the rank in your hands. Okay, so only brilliant students will get rank, only intelligent students, no. So revision, who study well and make revision will get the rank. Who study well and who make revision perfectly, he will get the rank, he will be the scorer, he will be the top of the gate ranker. Okay, so this is my final suggestion. So this is one way of preparation for self-studying students and not affordable, cost affordable students, not who are not able to pay money. Okay, so thank you friends. If you like this video friends, share to your friends. Okay, so they will benefit from you, Okay, thank you.